like we're making ice cream. It's very windy.
But you've got to pick the recipe first. And so we're having a look at the ingredients, and then we're going to go shopping for the ingredients. There's our recipe.
And the shops are over there.
You can follow us, and you can follow this recipe too. Okay. And here we are looking for choc chips because we're going to modify our recipe.
Oh, wait,
and we're going to get sugar-free ones to be a little bit healthier. Okay, Catty, is that the ones we want?
Yeah.
All right. Nice loud voice, Catty.
Huh?
Nice loud voice. We got our masks on.
It's heavy.
So yeah, we just got the cream ready for our ice cream. Wouldn't be ice cream without cream.
Yes.
Hey, welcome to our second Daddy versus Catty cooking video. Here's Catty.
Hello.
And what are we cooking this time?
Ice cream.
Not just any ice cream. Special kind of ice cream. Catty, fill us in. Here's the basic recipe. How are we modifying it?
We're just gonna add like this.
We could use that, but we're not. But what's going to be special about our modification to the recipe today?
That?
Yes, we're going to use special proper vanilla extract. I think that's actually vanilla bean paste, if you have a look. Yep. And we're going to make the ice cream different to the normal recipe. How are we modifying it?
Sugar-free.
Sugar-free choc chips. And rather than using sugar, we're using Natvia. All right. So first step is the recipe says we've got to process all the ingredients in a food processor. Here's the egg and the sugar, sugar substitute. Catty's just poured the milk in. Now we're going to put in our vanilla bean paste and our cream. Now we're putting the cream in. We've already put an extra generous amount of vanilla paste in. We put 1 teaspoon in, not half a teaspoon. All right, Catty. Now we're going to put the lid on.
Now we're going to turn this on, and then everything that hasn't blended properly, we're going to mix with a whisk. Well, not a whisk, whatever it's called. Alright, so now I'm pouring it into the bowl. Oh, that's nice.
Okay. Then the stirrer goes straight in here.
And we'll pop that on. Oh, it smells so good.
Alright.
It's working. Right there.
What's going on, Catty?
It's trying to cool down. We left that in the fridge overnight. It might not work too well because we saw that a couple things were broken. But it's working now. So, speed up!
So the ice cream mixture is thickening in the ice cream maker.
So now the thing's thick. We've had issues.
So what we're going to do is we're going to put the choc chips in, give it a stir, and then put it in the freezer.
Yeah. So yeah, we're going to put it in the chips, and then we're going to put it in the microwave. Well, not the microwave, the freezer.
All right, Catty, come here and put the choc chips in. Don't put the whole packet in, maybe half.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
That's plenty, I think. No, all right, maybe a bit more. All right, we need to give it a stir, and then we need to pour it into the ice cream tub.
That's good. So now we are stirring it. We're going to pour it into there.
Here we go.
Oh, and it's starting up again. Okay, pouring. See, that's starting up again. thinks it's still in there. So yeah. We'll see you when it's frozen.
So now we've poured it into a tub. And the next step is before it thaws back out again, we've got to stick it straight in the freezer.
Okay, so now it's been a while. It's night.
Yes, it is. It is definitely night time. And we're getting it out of the freezer. It's had a few hours to freeze, and there's the choc chips. And we're going to scoop it up. I'm going to hand over to Catty while I scoop some out.
Ooh, that looks nice. Oh,
No.
it landed.
Here you go. You want to hold that?
Mm-hmm.
We did need to stop the ice cream machine a bit early, so it might be a little bit solid, but let's see how we go. No, it looks quite good. Oh, it's still a little bit not quite solid.
It's fine.
Might need a few more hours.
But that's fine. It's fine though.
Ooh, it's still a bit goopy.
Wait, what? Oh yeah.
That's alright. This will do for the video. But obviously it needs a few more hours. Alright, out from us, and there's our ice cream recipe.
Bye.